USHAS Mudra. Break of day, origin of all good things. Women should place the right thumb between the left thumb and index finger, pressing on it with the left thumb. Do this every day for 5 to 15 minutes. This mudra concentrates the sexual energy of our second chakra and directs it into the energy centers above it. It gives us mental alertness, pleasure, and new impulses. In addition, it harmonizes our hormonal system. The USHAS Mudra helps us wake up in the morning. When you are still sleepy and lying in bed, place your clasped hands at the back of your head. Now inhale vigorously and deeply several times. Open your eyes and mouth widely. Press your elbows back into the pillow. While exhaling, let go of every tension. Repeat 6 times. In your imagination, see yourself sitting in a good place where you can enjoy the sunrise. The sun slowly rises, and you let the colors red, orange, and yellow have their effect on you for a long time. These colors awaken and improve your mood. Now imagine yourself as a person who is full of youthful strength and new impulses, as someone who enjoys life, a person who goes out into the world with love and richly blesses it with a sincere smile, good deeds, and beautiful things. Affirmation: I am filled with pleasure and enthusiasm which allow me to achieve great things. I enjoy life to the fullest.